Folks, Spark from Blade Forums here. Going to do a quick unboxing video for you today for some new Benchmades that came in. We just got in the Benchmade 560BK-1 Freek and the Benchmade 980SBK turret, two new designs for 2019. For brevity's sake, I've already gone ahead and removed the seals from the boxes so that we're not spending camera time doing that. So right now, let's take an overall look at the boxes themselves. As you can see with the Freek is a blue class knife from the blue box. It is designed for everyday carry. As the label says, it is a CPM M4 steel with manual open. The model number is 560BK-1 Freek. Bring that up here so it's easy to see. Looking at the end of the box, again, we have the model number, the name, the manufacturer time, which was on January 23rd, 19. So this was made during the middle of SHOT Show. This is a blue class knife. This is one of the first production run is number 778 of 1200. 778 of 1200. The turret is a black class knife, as you can see from the black box. The black class is Benchmade's tactical line and everyday carry. They are made a little bit more rugged and designed for a little bit harder use than the blue class lines. More for the tactical, the concealed carrier, the military, police, law enforcement officer. Again, Benchmade 980 SBK is the model number. Turret is the name. This is CPM S30V steel in a manual opener. Looking at the end of the box, again, the information is repeated. Benchmade 980 SBK, a turret. This was made 11/1/18, so this was made last year and was waiting for release. Black class, again, first production run, 682 of 1200. So let's go ahead and unbox these. We'll start off with the turret. Each Benchmade knife comes in a microfiber bag. They package it with foam to keep it from getting damaged during transit. Each knife comes with the Benchmade warranty information, along with some recommended accessories about cleaning and lubricating. Benchmade recommends their Blue Lube and Blue Lube Cleaner. They say how to touch it up, and they even go into a description of the different classes of knives. On the flip side, you have your limited lifetime warranty, how to register local, and how to get information on knife laws, where they recommend that you visit akti.org state knife laws. Benchmade's limited lifetime warranty, they're actually really good about stuff. One of the guys we deal with blew up his Benchmade 2551 mini reflex in Iraq. Found most of the pieces, shipped it to us, we shipped it back to Benchmade, and they replaced his knife for him. So they're really good about their warranty. Taking the knife out of the microfiber bag, of course, we see that this is an Axis lock knife. They put in the Axis lock card. Benchmade brought the Axis lock to the market. And there's even a note on the other side about the pocket clip. As you can see, the pocket clip is a deep carry pocket clip. Not to worry, this is an ambidextrous knife. The pocket clip can be installed on either side. If you are a left-handed carry, you can carry this on your left side. It is not 4-position or 3-position. You cannot install this with the knife tip down. It is only carried tip up. Black finish on the pocket clip, black hardware on the knife, the screws, pivot, Axis lock, spacers, stop pin, thumb studs, and liners are all black finished for low visibility. OD green, G10. The G10 has been contoured for ergonomics. There's traction grooves here to help make sure that you've got good grip in all weather conditions. Dual thumb studs. Knife can be opened with either hand. The 980 SBK is a partially serrated knife. The SBK in the model number means that it is partially serrated with a black blade. S for partial serrations, BK for their Cerakote coating. You can see the Benchmade trademarked logo laser etched on the knife, and if you look closely enough, you can also see the model number at the bottom of the Benchmade. On the reverse side, we see this is a first production run knife. Again, first production run, this is number 682 of 1200. If you get a first production knife, the box will say it is first production. The serial number will match the box. Also, you will see the S30V blade steel has been laser marked on the reverse side of the knife. This is a heavy-duty, hard-use knife. This is fairly large. This is something that will work for duty carry. You can choke up on it for detail work when you're cutting. There's jimping on the spine of the blade, jimping on the top of the handle here. Skeletonized handle frame so that dirt can be washed right on out of here. And again, Benchmade's black spacers. The Benchmade 980 SBK turret, available now. Up next is the Benchmade 560BK-1 Freek. The regular Freek was introduced last year. The Freek had a S30V blade. This new upgraded model has a CPM M4 blade. As you can see on the label, it says CPM M4. Again, we are looking at a first production run model, number 778 of 1200. That means that the blade will be marked the same as the turret was, with the same serial number. Again, opening the box, we have the microfiber cloth. We have the warranty card, the foam. Pulling the knife from the microfiber cloth bag, we have again the Axis lock card on the clip. The 560 SBK or the 560BK-1 Freek has black and gray G10 handles, red colored aluminum spacers, a burgundy liner, black Axis lock module, black hardware, or you have black screws, black Axis lock, black pivot, ambidextrous pocket clip. Unlike the 980 turret, this is a standard pocket clip. It is not deep carry. Lanyard hole, dual thumb studs, the 560BK-1 is plain edge. Again, the BK means black Cerakote. The lack of an S means that this does not have serrations. On the front side, we have the Benchmade logo with the 560 laser etched beneath it. On the reverse, again, first production run, we have the serial number of 778 of 1200. We have the steel of M4. More of a tactical, or more of a everyday carry utility knife. The Freek is built upon the popularity of the standard Freek that came out last year. I'll get one of those in a minute, and we'll put them side by side to compare. The Benchmade 560BK-1 Freek. The Benchmade 560BK-1 Freek next to the standard Benchmade 560. The 560 was released in 2017. The 565 was released in 2018 based on the success of the 560. Notice they both have the same overall shape. The 560 has a dual molded handle. The 560BK-1 has the G10 machined contoured handle. The 560 is available in the stonewash finish or black finish. The 560BK-1 is only available in black finish. The 560BK-1 has a skeletonized sandwich construction. The 560 has a plastic backspacer here, so it does not have complete pass-through. The 560 has silver axis lock, silver thumb studs. The 560BK has black axis lock, black thumb studs. Both models have the ambidextrous pocket clip. Both models use the standard non-deep carry pocket clip. The Benchmade 560 Freek.